So I stopped doing Gua Sha for 3 months just to see what kind of effect it would have on my face, and this is what happened. Now, for the last 2 weeks, I've been re-implementing Gua Sha back into my journey, and now it's like this. I'm not gonna bore you, I'm gonna get right into it. You could follow along to this entire video. It's gonna be the exact process. Let's get right into it. While I'm doing it, I'm gonna explain some of the benefits of it. For this, you're gonna need a lubricant of your choice. I personally like to use black seed oil only because it is a huge part of my transformation journey because it's anti-inflammatory, it's great for the skin, helps fight wrinkles, and in the Muslim culture, it's known to treat everything except death itself, and I've used it from the beginning. You can use anything you like as long as it's non-comedogenic, which means it doesn't block the pores. You pour about a tablespoon onto your hand, apply it on your face, and on the nubs of your knuckles, right here, just like that. Now, we're gonna start things off by opening the termini. It's right here where your neck meets your clavicle bone in that L shape. It's in that little pocket. You grab that little pocket, gentle pressure, do not apply too much, otherwise you will hurt yourself, okay? And you pump that about 20 times. Ready? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Move number 1, very simple. You find the space right by your sinus, right under your cheekbone. It's right here, right under it. And you take your knuckles and you insert right there. And then you do this motion up and then you drain it down, okay? You do that 20 times. Let's get to it. Your face should already feel a little bit tighter. Now, you need to understand that if the lubricant has dried up, reapply more. Think about black seed oil, it doesn't really dry up, so it's still pretty smooth because you don't want it to drag your skin. That's gonna actually make you age faster and do the opposite of what you actually wanna accomplish. Step 2, you take 2 fingers like this, apply it under your eye, do not touch your eyeball, okay? And gentle pressure, you go like this, rotate, and then drain down, okay? You do it 20 times. Cool. Simple as that. Next one, you're gonna take these nubs right here. You're gonna find your jawline right here, right? These two, you make this pincer-like motion. You insert this under your jawline, your jawbone and the other one above, and then you guide it up along that path, okay? Ten times. 10 times on each side. Other side now. Boom. Next one, you use this part of the knuckle. You get it here by your chin. You drag it along your jawline and up, and then drain down. You just do it 6 times. This is proof you can do all this with a beard as well. So female, male, doesn't matter, you can do it. Bonus one, this is for your double chin. Warning, you're gonna get an unpleasant taste, okay? It's completely normal. It's part of the process of draining lymphatic fluid. You take your fingers, you find your double chin, that mass of double chin, you pinch it, you hold it, and you drag it. And then down, while gulping. Sorry. It was disgusting. That was nasty. And now you do the other side. Pinch. Drag. Yeah, that's not nice. Now, that's it. It's simple as that. You could do that at night before bed, or you could do it when you wake up. Just do it once a day until it becomes a habit. It feels amazing after you do it. Your face feels so tight, so healthy, so youthful. Hope this helped. If you have any questions, drop it down in the comments below. Love y'all.